Going on, guys? Assad here, and now we're gonna learn about the last index of in the typed array. So as you may know by now that what last index does is search backwards starting from the index and give you the index of that. So and this is useful, this comes handy when you are doing something like search of something, and if it's not present it will give you -1. So what we're gonna do is const and use uint 8. So we need to create a set typed array using new operator. What the heck, man? You type operator and use the constructor for uint 8 array. When you do that, pass an array 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use uint 8 last one thing more, keep in mind though, what I'm doing is using 10th due time. So last index of, and pass something like 50. So what it give you is give you the position of that, which is here is 4, and if you pass 60, I mean 10, it will give you 5, because you already seen this, means it is the last index of that, the last time, which is the index of the element. So this is what it does, and there is another arguments which will pass you like 2 will give you 0, because the first is from this here, it's 1, it's 2, so the second one is definitely 0, this place, like the index of that index of elements, like that. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.